All right, let's get your alerts actually showing up on screen. You can see the status is disconnected right now, so we just need to grab this browser source URL to hook PopTip up to your stream setup. I'm just pasting this into a new tab for now, but you'd usually drop this into OBS or Streamlabs as a browser source. Once it's active, the dashboard flips to operational, and you get these real-time stat cards for your supporters. You'll probably notice this pink pulsing dot on the share icon at the top. We kept that there so you don't miss it. This is the actual link you'll give your audience to replace those silent PayPal or Cash App links. If you check that link right now, it'll say, "Tips are currently paused." That's just because we haven't connected Stripe yet. We're in studio mode, which is basically a sandbox where you can get your branding perfect before you actually go live. Let's fire a test alert to see the cinema-style card. This is what your fans see on screen. It's high impact and way more engaging than just a notification on your phone. If you want something cleaner, we've also got compact and minimal modes in the settings. I'll show you how to swap those in a bit. You've got full control here. Pause stops new alerts from hitting the screen whenever you need to clear the view. They'll still show up in your feed here so you can replay them later. Auto hide clears the cards after 8 seconds, and skip just dismisses whatever is on screen immediately. One last thing. If you ever accidentally leak that URL on stream, just hit regenerate. It kills the old link instantly, so your overlay stays secure. Nobody can hijack your alerts. Now that your alerts are firing, let's head over to the page editor in the next video and customize your public tipping profile. See you there.